You have supported nuclear weapons. I am dead opposed to India's nuclear weaponization. Mr. Advani considers the building a Ram temple as a nationalist project. I think it's a highly divisive project.
Mr. Ram, I don't want to take any of your agenda. You got an agenda, you are meeting, okay?
Yeah.
But the agenda, what I suggest, that you can calibrate what is the national development. That is 220 million people are below poverty line. So how do you bring them up? How do you bring them up? So that is the agenda. There may be many development going on agriculture to any subject. But agenda is very clear. 220 million people are below poverty, 22% of the people below poverty line. How do you lift them up? What contribution do you make? That's the issue.